we're now going to talk about how we multiply two matrices. And so in particular, what we're looking at is taking an m by p times a p by n and showing how we get the m by n matrice. And so we're going to just look at an example, and I'll explain what I'm doing as I'm going. We're going to start with the matrice 1, 2, minus 1, 3, and we're going to times that by 3 minus 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. So this is a 2 by 2 times a 2 by 3. Our insides match the two columns here, match the two rows here, which is exactly what we need. So this is going to be equal to a 2 by 3 matrice. Remember the row from the first one and the column from the second one. But this has 6 entries that we don't know. And so what I do to look at this and make this a little bit easier to understand is I'm going to start with A11, and this is going to be, and I'm going to write this out once, but from here on out I'm going to say it, it's the first row times the first column, where this and this come from here and here. So this says first row times first column. So that gives me 1 times 3 plus 2 times 1, which is 3 plus 2, which is 5. So my entry A11 is a 5. A12 is the first row, second column. So first row, let me erase the old one. I'm going to erase this one now. It's this row times this column. First row, second column goes in the first row, second column position. So this becomes 1 times a minus 2 plus 2 times 2, which is minus 2 plus 4, which is 2. So now I can replace this entry with a 2. Well, A13 is, let's put our 2 back in. A13 is first row, third column, and that gives us 1 times 1 plus 2 times 3, 1 plus 6, which is 7. So now we clear off our markers, and we're done. That's 1, 3, so now we're going to go down to 2, 1. A21 is equal to the second row, first column. So this is minus 1 times 3 plus 3 times 1, which is minus 3 plus 3, which is 0. A22 is second row from the first one, second column from the second one. Minus 1 times minus 2 plus 3 times 2 is 2 plus 6, which is 8. Now we've only got one more to do. If we take our A33, this is going to be equal to second row, not 3, 3, this should be 2, 3. We don't have a 3, 3 in this one, or it would be third row, third column, but second row, third column is minus 1 times 1 plus 3 times 3, which is minus 1 plus 9, which is also 8. And I have finished doing my matrix multiplication. Again, the key here is that the row-column pair that you're going to do is determined by the row-column markers of the entry that you're looking for. And if you can keep that straight, it makes matrix multiplication really easy.